Hello guys, welcome back to another video in this React series. This is a continuation of my previous video on creating a responsive bootstrap form in ReactJS. If you have not watched that, feel free to go back and watch that video. I have provided the link for that video in the description as well. In the previous video, we have added confirmation message and form reset after submission features to our form. In this video, we'll enhance this form by adding placeholders to this form. Placeholders are nothing but these are the hints or messages which we can be displayed within these input field elements so that will give some form of information to the user. This is a code which we have added for our bootstrap form in the earlier videos. To add placeholder for particular fields, let's go to those fields and within these input elements, let's add a property by name placeholder. And within the double quotation, the message which you want to display to the user that can be entered here. That's it, what you need to do to add placeholder to any input element. So let's save this file and go back to browser. Now you can observe there is a predefined text which is showing to the user here. This gives the user some form of information about that particular field. And as soon user starts typing the text or input in these input fields, that placeholder text will be hidden. And whenever this is blank, again that placeholder text will be shown to the user. Now let's go back to code editor and add placeholders for these two fields as well. As I said, to add placeholder, we need to add the property to that particular element by name placeholder. Now we have added placeholder for these two fields. Let's save this one and go back to browser to preview it again. Now you can observe placeholder or information or hint text that is showing to all these three fields. This is one of the useful feature which will enhance our forms in the React applications. That's it guys for this short video. Let me know your questions or feedbacks in the video comments. Thanks for watching this. If you like this video, please click on like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel.